Helsinki, Washington, December 10. Reuters, Finland has chosen U.S. defense giant Lockheed Martin's LMT N F-35 fighters to replace aging F/A-18 combat jets and plans to order 64 planes with weapon systems in a $9.4 billion deal, the government said on Friday. When comparing military performance, the F-35 best met our needs, Defense Minister Antti Kaikkonen told a news conference. Finland is the 14th nation to opt for the F-35. It will begin phasing in the F-35 from 2027 onwards, said Air Force Commander Pasi Jokinen. The choice strengthens the small Nordic nation's defense cooperation with its allies, most significantly the United States and Norway, said researcher Charlie Salonius Pasternak at the Finnish Institute of International Affairs.